Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to pin a post on Instagram. Maybe you want to pin a specific post on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can pin post on your Instagram. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then you'll be directed into your profile page. And then scroll down and tap on the post you want to pin. Once you tap on it, tap on the three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, simply tap on this pin to your profile. And as you can see, your post has been pinned. If you check it in your account, simply refresh it and then you'll see here a pin icon. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can pin a specific post on your Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can pin a post on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.